Hello everyone, and welcome to the Blue Bomber Daybreak News. I'm Carter.
And I'm Helena.
In today's top story, a local manufacturer produces custom machinery to process plastics. We have Charlie on location at TPEI in Lehigh. Charlie, what can you tell us?
Hi Jacob, I'm here at TPEI in Lehigh to find out what's so cool about manufacturing. I have Gary, the manufacturing engineer here. Gary, what can you tell us about the exciting things happening at TPEI?
Hi Charlie, here at Technical Process and Engineering, we have a full-service machine shop that specializes in manufacturing continuous mixers and extruders for the plastics compounding industry.
Wow, Charlie, that's some interesting information. Let's check in with Maya, who's a former Palmerton student, Tyler home. Maya?
Thanks, Helena. Yes, I'm here with Tyler, who made a very smooth transition from his school years to his occupation. Tyler, tell us a little bit about how you came to TPEI and what it is you do here.
So I'm a machinist here at TPEI. I went 4 years to CCTI in the machining program, and halfway through my senior year, I got on a co-op here at TPEI, and I would go to school half day, and then I would come here to work half day, and then after I graduated, they offered me a full-time job here, and the transition was pretty smooth. I was already working here, and it was a great place to work, a cool job, making parts, taking machines apart.
That's a really smart path to take in life, don't you think, Helena?
Oh yes, Carter, what a way to learn a trade and start making money right away.
That's not the only way you can get a job at TPEI. We found out that there are other positions for students still in school as well. Let's check in with Mackenzie.
Yes, Jacob. Kyle was just telling me about how he balances his work and school life. I also heard he's a national champion in machining. What's that all about?
And for the competition that I won, I didn't really have to study too much because I learned all the skills right here at work.
This was a great story.
What a vital manufacturer to have right here in our backyard.
Well, that does it for today's edition of the Blue Bomber Daybreak News. I'm Carter.
And I'm Helena.
Thanks for watching.